In autumn we had some tree surgeons in to trim back some of the Leylandii and the overgrown tree, and we had a bonfire night party and a double birthday for me granddaughters around Pomfret's Pond. Okay, it's autumn around Pomfret's Pond, and as I mentioned in a previous video, this overgrown tree is going to be cropped back, and we're going to take about 6 foot off this giant Leylandii. The guys are on their way now. So that's the finished article. 2 trees with a nice autumn haircut. Should last for a good few years now before they get back to the original height, but pond's doing great. Probably less leaves going into the pond now because that's half the size that it was.
Herons, they've got Bailey's squirty cream.
Yeah.
Is it alcohol?
Yeah, it's alcohol. And they've got like Bailey's thick cream.
No, but
Yeah,
Lucy, do you want some cream on?
Ralphie!
says, show Grandad how you spell your name. R-A-L-P-H.
Nah, I'm not going to take it.
Right, go on, kick it as far as you can.
I'll just throw it.
Look, she's doing it, what?
She'll drop the ball, let it roll to the bottom of the hill, and then you've got to chuck it again. Go on.
Hey, I got
What's the paper up? Yeah. What's your name?
Yeah?
What? That's nice? Yeah. Jelly's like this? Doing a place.
Yeah, she
Said you like it?
more.
that one's
You're
black.
going to burn it. Looks black.
Look at it, it's brown, it's
Yeah,
perfect.
It's what it's supposed to be.
No, it's sticky though. Wait, look. Look, you can do this, William.
I'll eat it after my now.
Wait, your hands are going to be sticky though. No, because it's toasty.
Well, I've just put it on full for now.
Put it on corner at fire thing.
No,
No,
Wait.
not crack.
One.
My ice cream and jelly apple.
Chocolate.
Mum, I made my ice cream and jelly apple.
Dip it in.
Yeah.
You're going to eat it, Lucy. You can leave it on the floor there.
Jesus, it's hot. Too hot.
Oh,
You're on a diet every day.
I never actually had one of these in my life.
what's happening?
You've never had a burnt...
Dip it in that
No,
chocolate.
we did it in summer, didn't we? Like it. I thought-
Smoked in.
Chocolate.
I've got some more chocolate. I've got some more.
Your mouth just tastes firewood now. Stink of it.
Mum, look.
Oh, you get a question. Oh, right away, 3-1.
Oh, my eyes. It's on fire.
Dip it in quick.
Like that.
Oh, this is nice and warm. If I like it for you, are you giving it?
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
There.
Do you want me to light it for you?
I'm scared.
Be careful, you know you're not what too old.
Put it in glowing embers. That's it.
Oh, Lucy.
What's it? Don't you touch them anymore.
I need to use it in a minute. I'm not going to stick where you're going to stick it on there.
I've just been robbed.
Yeah, I'll be on 3 million in my coin for It's some season. That. This is how you think you are, Jackie Chan?
Yeah. That's what all my mates call me.
You don't call you Chan. Hold on tight. They're not even lit. Burning in the fireworks. Bro, we put it in grass.
No.
Oh my god. It's
Don't
like a,
fire that one, is it?
No,
This is
it's like
called
a
a
big-
Roman candle.
That's a nice one.
It's like a minion, isn't
Ooh.
it? It's like a minion. It's like an unbelievable minion.
Ooh. Very nice one.
You've spent a lot on me.
Yeah.
I don't want to get a tail.
Oh shit, this one. Move that way.
Fantastic. Look at that.
That's bad.
We're about to witness the magic mushroom firework.
Put in this YouTube. Pump the fireworks.
Yes.
Hooray! 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 Hooray!
Blow, oh, blow, 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 blow.
Yay!
No, turn that. Wait, can I start?
Anybody want a piece of cake?
No, turn that. Right, put it
Oh,
out.
thanks, I'm full.
No, of course I got fire. I'll do it. Put it on fire.
In a minute.
Once.
Where did you have them on?
Can I watch this? Look! Watch this. Watch this.
Your support's much appreciated. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bonfire's Pond.